I changed my life from nothing to something. And if I can do it, you can too. Here are 50 powerful rules that turned my life around. 1. Take full responsibility for your life. 2. Stop blaming others, no one's coming to save you. 3. Forgive your past. It's already gone. 4. Promise yourself daily, I'll get better. 5. Wake up early mornings, belong to winners. 6. Fix your sleep schedule. 7. Build your body, strong mind. 8. Learn a new skill every day. 9. Read books, they open locked doors in your mind. 10. Change your circle, choose people who lift you up. 11. Stay away from time wasters. 12. Set one small goal daily and hit it. 13. Write your dreams down, see them daily. 14. Face your fears, laugh at them. 15. Believe in yourself, even when no one else does. 16. Stay hungry to learn more. 17. Work hard in silence, let results make the noise. 18. Be patient, great things take time. 19. Be better than you were yesterday. 20. Speak truth, it gives you power. 21. Control your tongue, words, create worlds. 22. Talk less, act more. 23. Track your money, control it before it controls you. 24. Stop wasting money on useless things. 25. Learn to invest. Build your future. 26. Spend some time alone, listen to your soul. Vasept. Be grateful every single day. 28. Know your limits, but dream beyond them. 29. Respect your parents, that's real success. 30. Muta negative people. 31. Learn from your mistakes, don't live in them. 32. Do what you can today. 33. Make your words valuable. 34. Value your time, it's gold. 35. Dream big, but stay awake to chase it. 36. Stay strong when everyone leaves. 37. Turn hate into motivation. 38. Success takes time, don't rush it. 39. Treat failure as a lesson, not an end. 40. Prove yourself not to the world but to you. 41. Listen to your heart, but decide with your mind. 42. Look back only to see how far you've come. 43. Be thankful for every breath. 44. Learn to laugh at yourself. 45. Be the best at what you do. 46. Stay quiet until you win. 47. Smile at yourself in the mirror every morning. 48. Never compromise on your dreams. 49. Start acting like a hero today. 50. And remember, you can't be a hero without first being a zero.